How gardening is just like our business. We have profits out there, but you know what? We're not always optimizing them. We know we've planted seeds. We're waiting them for the nurture, but we get a little busy reacting to the business, and what happens? We let something overgrow. Now, sometimes we think bigger is better, but there's no way this is going to taste great. Right? Skin's going to be tough. It's going to be a tough client type of scenario. And sometimes we're just going to lose a lot of unfound profits. All the tomatoes here are all split. Why? Just because we haven't gone out there and taken advantage of the opportunities from the relationships we sown in our business earlier. I imagine I'm not alone. I know there's a lot of great opportunities out there found in pure profits just laying literally at your feet if you would just not let them go rotten. What do you got to do? Maybe you need to send that email. You need to pick up the phone and do a little follow-up, whatever it is you got to do. Don't be like me and let your garden get a little overgrown. And look at these. Every single carrot split wide open. Hey, go tap into those profits. They're waiting for you.